A man accused of killing a Utah police sergeant back in court today, but not in person. Jayne appearing virtually for a hearing over what happened to involve concerns over his legal representation.
Ariel Harrison has been following the case and joins us live to explain this latest delay in the case.
That's right. Good evening, Brian and Heidi. I am here at Utah State Capitol, where behind me you can see this memorial where fallen officers are honored, including Santaquin Police Sergeant Bill Hooser. While the family is anxious to see this case move forward, a criminal defense attorney I spoke with today says it appears the man arrested for the murder appears to be two, but a funding issue has been standing in the way.
If counsel could please state their appearances.
Accused cop killer Jayne appeared in court Wednesday, not in person, but virtually over Webex. It's not the preliminary hearing Sergeant Bill Hooser's family expected, something that's been delayed now since May. The family, according to this document, is also asserting their right to a speedy trial.
I'm not surprised by that.
Sky Lazaro is a criminal defense attorney not connected to the Jayne murder case. She explained while both victims and the defendant have this right, the delays are often frustrating for both parties.
It doesn't seem to them like it's been moving forward. So I can understand how frustrating that has to be.
She says court filings reveal the consecutive delays stem back to an issue of funding Jayne's defense, which according to state law, falls on Utah County.
You have the Indigent Defense Fund or the Aggravated Murder Fund that counties can opt into. You know, when you go through them, I think things can move a little bit quicker. Otherwise, counties really need to decide, you know, if they're going to charge aggravated murder cases, they're going to have to foot the bill for them.
Another recent capital murder case in Utah County with ongoing delays just wrapped up. That's this deadly Eagle Mountain crash that killed two little boys, Hunter and Odin. 3 years since their deaths, the mothers, Teresa Ratliff and Brooke Jackson, attended the killer's sentencing. The mom sharing with 2 News the tolls delays have on families.
It was an immense delay of healing. Every chance that we got that we were like, oh, we're one step closer, we felt like we were 3 steps back.
Now, I heard back from one of Jayne's attorneys, Rudy Bautista, today. He says the funding issues have been sorted out at this point. There is a status hearing that was scheduled to take place in just a couple of weeks, that happening today, at which point could finally lead to a preliminary hearing being scheduled in this case. Reporting live from the state capitol, Ariel Harrison, KUTV 2 News.